Why do some people snore? Ever wondered why some people sound like a chainsaw when they sleep? Let's dig into the noisy world of snoring. It all starts in the back of your throat. While we snooze, our muscles relax. For snorers, that relaxation goes a bit overboard, narrowing the airway. This turns their throat into a narrow passage where every breath creates a mini tornado. But wait, it gets weirder. Did you know your sleeping position, or even a nightcap, could launch a full-blown snore concert? Factors like being overweight, alcohol before bed, and even allergies can tighten the stage for that throat opera. And yes, sometimes it's just genetics playing out their noisy genes. Tired of the nightly soundtracks? For more bizarre body mysteries, hit follow and dive deeper with us.